Bad Rick.
At approximately 2:45 p.m. on Tuesday, the 21st of April 2026, the Arkansas State Police reported a high-stakes request from the U.S. Marshals Service to assist in locating a dangerous fugitive. The suspect, linked to a violent shooting just days prior, was spotted near the intersection of Dollarway Road and School Street in Jefferson County. With an active warrant for first-degree battery and the potential presence of firearms, the danger levels ignited as troopers initiated a tactical stop on the associated vehicle.
We're going off Vaughn Avenue, headed towards P Street. Gonna be making a right on Juniper. Right on Juniper. Okay, we're still on Juniper crossing Railroad. We're going to pull and headed towards University. He's going down West 2nd towards University. Speed's 86.
The high-speed pursuit saw the suspect vehicle barreling through business and residential areas, reaching terrifying speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour along 2nd Avenue. Ignoring blaring sirens and the risk to innocent civilians, the driver continued his reckless flight until reaching the intersection of 2nd Avenue and Walnut Street. There, the fleeing car slammed into another passenger vehicle, causing it to overturn violently, catch fire, and come to a dead halt on its roof. Troopers rushed to the wreckage, extinguishing flames while shouting commands, "Hands up! Get out of the car!" as they extracted the occupants.
Bad Rick. Gonna be Walnut. Turn over. Fire. Stand 15. Hands! Let me see your hands! Stand to the left. Gotta roll up at you. Hey, somebody got a fire extinguisher. Somebody got a fire extinguisher. It's on fire. It's on fire. You ain't got one. You got one? Hey, somebody check on them. Do y'all see anybody? Yeah, he's right here. Hey, hold cover. I got it. My man, if you move any way, you gonna get blasted. You hear me? Let's try to go on the top. No, they can't. Hey, go look at my trunk. I got a fire extinguisher. It's in that black bag. Hey, hold cover. I'm gonna try to put this fire out. Keep your hands where we can see them. We'll be right in front of Donald Ribbons building. Donald Ribbons is over here. Checking the chestnut. Nah, bro. I'll be using my fire extinguisher trying to put out the fire. Also, seeing next list 1016. We need fire. We need to get tracked. Hey, we got an ETA on fire. Can you get to him, Kelly? He's about right hand side. Stop moving your head. Hey, y'all, back. Get mine out. Hey, wait a minute, go get the board. I don't want it to catch fire while he's on. Alright, get your hands up. I got to get his foot.
No, not that one, the other one.
Hey, give me your foot.
It's not that one, it's the other one.
You said this one can open. Hey, get the fuck back, goddamn, Dozy. Hey, shit, get back. Hey, watch it. Let us see hands. Hands. Hey, break that something back out. Shut up. What's the song? On your back. I can't. Oh, God, I didn't even do anything. Oh, my God. Who else in the truck with you? Is this out? Hey, hold on. Is there anybody else in there? Give him back. All right. Get him up. Somebody else is in there. Hold on. Step back. Hey, come on. Anybody else in there? No. Oh, my hip broke. I got to get my hip. Zach, get this. My hip. I got you. Oh, my hip.
The driver was identified as 7-year-old Hunter White, who now faces charges of felony fleeing and possession of drug paraphernalia. 3-5-year-old Ricky Lee Ray was the shooting suspect sought by federal agents. After being medically cleared at Jefferson Regional Medical Center, Ray was booked into the Jefferson County Detention Center for first-degree battery. This dashcam footage proves that on these roads, the law eventually catches up to every reckless choice.